The Ricoh GR4 is finally here, a serious update to one of the most iconic compact cameras in street photography. This time, Ricoh has packed in a brand new 26-megapixel APS-C sensor, giving you even more detail and dynamic range without sacrificing that legendary GR look. The design is slimmer, the grip's been refined, and internal storage has been boosted, all in a body that still disappears in your pocket. It starts up faster, focuses quicker, and delivers sharp, clean images that feel true to life. If you shoot fast, travel light, and want a camera that gets out of your way, the GR4 is built for you. Let's dive into what's new. The Ricoh GR4 remains an icon of purposeful simplicity, a camera that continues to define what a true street shooter should feel like. Staying loyal to its minimalist DNA, it embraces the timeless design language that GR fans have cherished for years. Compact, stealthy, and utterly devoid of distraction. The magnesium alloy chassis feels remarkably solid, yet impressively lightweight, reinforcing Ricoh's commitment to professional-grade durability without unnecessary bulk. Every line, button, and contour serves a purpose. The newly refined grip texture is one of those subtle but meaningful updates. It offers superior traction and comfort, particularly valuable during long walks through crowded cityscapes or extended travel days. The build now includes improved dust and moisture resistance, an understated but crucial enhancement that extends its reliability in real-world conditions. Operation feels faster and more intuitive, with Ricoh fine-tuning the tactile experience of the GR dial layout for quick, confident control on the fly. The shutter button now has a crisp responsiveness, while the power toggle offers a firmer, more decisive click. Small, ergonomic upgrades that elevate the overall shooting rhythm. The fixed 28mm f2.18 GR lens, a signature of this series, maintains its celebrated sharpness, but now benefits from new optical coatings that reduce flare and preserve contrast even under harsh lighting. On the rear, the upgraded LCD screen is brighter and touch-sensitive, enabling quicker focus point selection and seamless menu navigation. Together, these refinements enhance usability without sacrificing the camera's defining stealth and simplicity. Ultimately, the Ricoh GR4 feels like an evolution of everything that made the GR lineage special. Unobtrusive yet capable, minimalist yet expressive. It's a tool designed not to draw attention, but to capture fleeting moments with absolute confidence, wherever inspiration strikes. At its heart, the Ricoh GR4 houses a newly developed 26-megapixel APS-C sensor paired with the GR Engine 7 processor, representing a significant evolution in Ricoh's compact flagship line. This new sensor not only enhances resolution, but also introduces faster readout speeds and an expanded dynamic range that's immediately apparent in real-world use. Highlights roll off smoothly, shadows retain a remarkable amount of detail, and tonal gradation appears more natural and refined than ever before. The absence of an optical low-pass filter allows every ounce of sharpness to come through, producing crisp, finely detailed images that hold up beautifully even under close inspection. Ricoh's color science remains a defining strength, subtle, cinematic, and remarkably honest. Colors feel true to life, yet expressive, with skin tones rendered naturally, and monochrome conversions exuding a distinctive film-like depth. The fixed 28mm f2.8 equivalent lens continues to be an optical masterpiece, delivering exceptional central sharpness while exhibiting a graceful fall-off toward the corners that adds a sense of depth without introducing distortion. Low-light performance has also taken a major leap forward, with clean filmic results even at ISO 6400. Coupled with the new in-body image stabilization system and the fast aperture, handheld night photography becomes both effortless and rewarding. JPEGs straight out of the camera retain Ricoh's signature tonal balance, rich contrast, nuanced highlights, and smooth midtones, while RAW files provide tremendous flexibility for grading and creative post-processing. Every frame feels tactile and emotionally resonant, a rare quality in today's technically perfect but often sterile digital imagery. The Ricoh GR4 doesn't just deliver technical excellence, it captures the essence of a scene with soul, turning ordinary moments into timeless, heartfelt photographs that speak to the purity of street and documentary photography itself. Color has always been part of Ricoh's quiet magic. and the GR4 refines it to a near-artistic level, showcasing just how much depth can exist in a compact camera's palette. The expanded GR film modes draw from analog emulsions, emphasizing tonal richness, fine gradation, and a deliberately understated saturation that gives images an organic charm. The standard profile offers balanced, natural hues that suit lifestyle, travel, and editorial photography, capturing the subtleties of light and shadow without artificial exaggeration. For those seeking vibrancy, the positive film mode channels the nostalgic intensity of slide film, bringing out punchy reds, deep blues, and lively greens with a cinematic vibrance that still feels grounded rather than oversaturated. A standout addition is the new Urban Neutral preset, crafted specifically for modern street photography. It balances warm and cool tones with exceptional precision, lending cityscapes and candid portraits a filmic tone straight out of the camera. This preset's restrained contrast and natural color transitions make even mundane scenes feel editorial. The GR4's improved white balance algorithms further enhance this flexibility, adapting intuitively to mixed or artificial lighting conditions and maintaining faithful color integrity across tungsten, LED, and daylight environments. Skin tones appear smooth and lifelike, avoiding the magenta or yellow shifts common in compact sensors, while outdoor hues retain authenticity across lighting transitions. True to the GR philosophy, the system allows detailed customization. Photographers can fine-tune highlights, shadow tone, contrast curves, or individual color channels to create their own signature recipes. These subtle yet powerful controls transform the GR4 into more than just a camera. It's a creative tool for storytelling in color. Every JPEG feels intentional and emotionally resonant, capable of delivering gallery-quality results without ever requiring post-production, reaffirming Ricoh's mastery of expressive minimalism. The Ricoh GR4 represents a substantial leap forward for the iconic compact series, particularly in autofocus and overall responsiveness. Its newly developed hybrid AF system merges phase detection and contrast detection points that span nearly the entire frame, offering precision and speed that rival much larger mirrorless cameras. Subject detection has become significantly smarter and more adaptive. The GR4 can now recognize and lock onto human eyes, faces, and even unpredictable, fast-moving subjects such as pets, cyclists, or street performers darting through a crowd. This newfound intelligence translates into a shooting experience that feels fluid, confident, and utterly dependable. Qualities that street photographers rely on when moments unfold in split seconds. Startup time has been cut to under half a second, and shutter lag is virtually non-existent, allowing photographers to react instantly. Continuous shooting reaches up to 10 frames per second, while the enhanced processor ensures that image buffering and file writing remain impressively swift. Customization options continue to be one of the GR series' defining advantages, with nearly every control button reassignable to suit a user's preferred layout or shooting method. This level of personalization empowers professionals and enthusiasts alike to create an interface that disappears into muscle memory. Battery endurance is solid for such a compact body, and the addition of USB CPD charging means it's easier than ever to keep the camera powered throughout a day of travel or long shooting sessions. Every design decision on the GR IV feels intentional. Streamlined menus, tactile controls, and quiet operation all come together to create a camera that functions as a natural extension of the photographer's vision. Rather than being distracted with excess features, the GR4 distills the essentials of photography into a fast, intuitive, and efficient tool built for capturing authentic, fleeting moments. While the Ricoh GR4's soul remains deeply rooted in still photography, its video capabilities have matured into something surprisingly capable and refined. The camera now records detailed 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth, delivering cinematic richness and tonal depth that far exceed expectations for a compact fixed lens model. This isn't a token video mode. It's a thoughtfully implemented system that produces sharp, vibrant, and natural-looking footage, ideal for creators who value authenticity. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization plays a crucial role, effectively minimizing shake and micro jitters even during handheld walking shots or panning sequences. Autofocus has also evolved, now offering smoother, more organic transitions between subjects without the abrupt pulsing or hunting that plagued earlier GR models. Perhaps the biggest surprise, however, is Ricoh's inclusion of LAN connectivity and wireless tethering for the first time in the GR series. These additions transform the GR4 from a simple street shooter into a connected creative tool, allowing direct file transfer to computers or cloud services, live streaming via USB-C, and integration into remote production setups. For journalists, travel documentarians, and minimalist filmmakers, this is a major workflow upgrade. What's remarkable is how Ricoh has preserved the GR's iconic simplicity and stealth while layering in modern functionality. There's no unnecessary complexity, just practical, reliable tools that empower creativity without distraction. The GR4 stands as a compact yet complete storytelling companion, blending the spontaneity of street photography with the flexibility of a hybrid creator's camera. In a market crowded with over-engineered gadgets, the Ricoh GR4 delivers elegance through restraint, proving that refinement and purpose-driven design can still triumph over feature overload. It's a quiet revolution wrapped in understated confidence, true to the GR legacy, yet boldly forward-looking. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.